finally got my package from K-HAIR, from Jenny precisely, and I must say the textures are very lovely, very lovely. Like, wow, it is lovely. Thank you, Jenny. I love this. Thank you so much. You can see they are very nice. I got 1.5 kg and I absolutely love it. These are the hairs I got from K-HAIR. They're very lovely. I love the texture. They're very nice. I got it from Jenny precisely. Thank you, Jenny. These textures are very lovely, and I'm definitely coming back for more. I love it. It's so silky. I'm happy I got it from it. Thank you. And they are all super double